Hey guys, today let's learn how to unblur the likes without having Tinder Gold. So if you guys are an avid user of Tinder and you want to go ahead and view the people who like you, even though we don't have Tinder Gold, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so firstly, I would like you guys to proceed with downloading your Tinder applications and then launching it, as well as logging into your accounts. Once that is done, what you guys need to actually know is, if you are a new user and you don't really know this feature, basically Tinder has this feature which actually allows you to temporarily view or choose people who have already liked you. So I'm going to go ahead and log on to my account here real quick. And what this feature that I'm talking about is the secret admirer feature. Now this feature is available to all users, even if you are not using Tinder Gold. So all we need to access this is to go ahead and launch your Tinder. Now, what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and proceed with just continually swiping on the application and then choosing the person that you like and dislike. So from here, what we actually need to do is to go ahead and just continually use the Tinder application and proceed with just swiping left or right depending on your preference and your liking. And what you would notice is you are going to come encounter with the specific feature that I'm talking about, which is the secret admirer feature. And what this is, it will show you 4 cards on your screen, and those 4 cards are people who have actually liked you already. Now, what we need to do from there is to just choose one of those 4 cards and basically view who have liked us. Now, that is an easy way and a free way as well to view who has already liked us on the Tinder application. And all we need to do is to go ahead and basically proceed with finding for that feature. And to do so, we just need to go ahead and basically use the application swipe left or swipe right depending on your liking, and you will come encounter with that option easily in the next, of course, cards. So as I said, go ahead and continually use the application until you come encounter with that feature, and that feature is going to be called the secret admirer feature, and it's going to be showing you 4 cards of people who liked you. Of course, those cards will be turned upside down, and basically whichever one you choose, those people are going to be sure that they have liked you. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.